Hello everyone, with this video we will learn how to enable double tap to wake feature in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now with double tap to wake feature, turn on the screen when you double tap anywhere on the screen. To do so, swipe up from the home screen. Tap on settings. Tap on advanced features. Tap on motions and gestures. Tap on double tap to wake. Now let's try it out. Please note this feature will not work with S Pen.
Double tap the screen as the screen goes to sleep mode.
So this is how you can use double tap to wake feature in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, with this video we will learn how to enable and use zoom in mic feature in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now you can set the audio level with the camera zoom level while recording the videos. If you zoom in or zoom out while recording, the volume of the target is also adjusted depending on the zoom level. Zoom mic in feature lets you focus on the audio for the zoomed in area. Please note, the results of the effect may differ depending on the recording situation and recorded audio volume. To do so, open the camera app and tap on settings icon. Tap on advanced recording options. Tap on zoom in mic to enable it. Now let's see how it works. So for this, go to camera and then tap on video mode. Tap on this button to start recording. Pinch to zoom while recording. Zoom the video on the audio that you want to emphasize. And the video has been successfully recorded. Let's go to gallery to check. And the video has emphasized the audio we zoomed in. So this is how we can enable and use zoom in mic feature in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, with this video we will learn how to switch home screen to landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now you can rotate the home screen automatically when your phone's orientation changes. To begin, swipe up from the home screen. Tap on settings. Tap on display. Tap on home screen. Tap on rotate to landscape mode switch to activate it. Please note, to use this feature, auto rotate feature should be turned on. Rotate the device until it is horizontal to view the screen in landscape mode. So this is how you can switch home screen to landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to use always on display feature in landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. To enable this feature, swipe up from the home screen. Tap on settings. Scroll and tap on lock screen. Tap on always on display. Tap on the switch to activate it. Scroll and tap on rotate screen to. Select landscape option. Now let's see how it works. The AOD screen has successfully switched to landscape mode. So this is how we can use always on display feature in landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has the signature thin edge with unique edge apps that makes it different from many Android phones. So with this video, we will demonstrate how to customize edge panels of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. To do so, swipe from the home screen. Tap on settings. Tap on display. Tap on edge screen. Tap on edge panel switch to activate it. Or you can also tap on Edge panels and then tap on the switch to activate or deactivate it. As you can see, the Edge panel is successfully activated. Here you are provided with 11 panels: Apps Edge, Quick Tools, Samsung Members, Live Messages, People Edge, Smart Select, Task Edge, Weather, Samsung Internet, Reminder, Clipboard Edge. To activate them, tap on the checkbox provided on each panel, and to deactivate them, uncheck the checkbox. Tap on Edit to customize the settings of the panel as per your preference. With the new user interface, Samsung now allows up to 10 panels to be used at a time. Swipe it towards right or left. And as you can see, all the panels selected by us are available here. So this is how we can customize Edge panels in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to customize the button grid of Quick Settings panel in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now you can have as many as 15 buttons and as few as 9 buttons on your Quick Settings panel. To do so, open the Quick Settings panel, swipe it down once again. Tap on More icon. Tap on Button Grid. Here you are provided with 3 options: 3x3, 4x3 and 5x3. Select one of the provided options. Tap on OK. As you can see, the button grid has customized as per your preference. So this is how you can customize the button grid of Quick Settings panel in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. With this video, we will learn how to take screenshot in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Taking screenshot in this hasn't changed, but the keys have.
In it, the power and Pixabay key are combined into one. It is called the side key.
To take a screenshot, short press the side key and the volume down key at the same time. The screen will flash and a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Select any option from Scroll Capture, Draw, Tag and Share. Through Scroll Capture, you can capture more content such as any lengthy content. In it, screen scrolls down to capture more content when you tap Scroll Capture icon. Remember, this setting is only available when scrolling is possible. The resolution of the content varies depending on the number of pages captured. Draw option lets you draw on the screenshot. Select a pen and a color of your choice and draw on the screenshot. Tap on Save to save it. Tap on Tag icon to add tag to your screenshot. Tap on Save to save it. Tap on Share icon to share the screenshot through these available mediums. The captured screenshot is saved in the gallery. And see, the screenshot is available here. So this is how you can take screenshot in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.